Hello guys, welcome back. For today's video is pupunta tayo sa Island Garden City of Samar. So we're waiting here sa Carinderia together with my co-model Jalai. After an hour, sinundo na din kami ng CEO namin. Papunta na kami sa Sasa Barge. Medyo traffic pero okay lang. So at last, andito na kami sa barge guys. Pero andito lang kami sa loob ng kotse. After ilang minutes guys, dumating na din kami dito sa Pink and White Aesthetic Samal. Kasi grand opening nila dito right now. And magka-cutting ribbon kami guys. At grabe ang laki ng space nila dito. So lahat ng mga taga Samal Island, mayroon na kayong spa dito na bago. Pwede na kayo dito magpa-services like facial, skin treatment, glutadrip, and nail extension. At ang ganda ng clinic nila, very aesthetic and Instagrammable. So while waiting for the cutting of ribbon, so nagtutur-tour muna ako dito sa loob. And ayan na, they are preparing for the cutting of ribbon guys. And ayan na, nag-start na sila for the cutting of ribbon together with the CEO Miss Bianca Narano and the franchise owner Miss Regine Pasco. Again, their clinic is located at the second floor of our Pasco building, Mambago A, Samal Island. Ang cute talaga ng clinic nila, and then mayroon sila mga food para sa mga customer for today. Ito yung spa room nila guys, bali dalawang bed ang dito. At dahil gutom ng lahat, kakain na kami ng lechon kasi lunchtime na. Ang sarap din ng mga food nila pero konti lang kinain ko kasi on diet tayo guys. Pagkatapos namin kumain, tumambay ulit kami dito together with my co-model Jalai. Ang ganda-ganda, wow! And of course, hindi mawawala yung pictorials together with the owner and mga madam of Samal. So ayun lang guys, bye-bye!